Look, Comey is a leaker, and he's a liar. And he gave it to a friend to leak classified information. It's all classified. It was totally classified.
Do you think that there's any credence to the president's claims that you broke the law when you released your memos?
I don't. Hope that won't surprise you. I don't. In fact, I think he's just making stuff up.
Before James Comey was fired, he wrote 7 memos detailing his interactions with President Trump. He labeled 2 secret, 2 confidential, and 3 unclassified.
And I was what was called an original classification authority at the FBI, meaning I had the training and the authority to make decisions about what should be classified, what shouldn't. Some of those memos I decided should be classified.
One of Comey's lawyers described the unclassified February 14th memo to the New York Times.
I didn't leak memos. I asked a friend to communicate the substance of one unclassified memo.
Whether you...
Can I finish for a second?
Sure, okay.
One unclassified memo to the media.
It claims Trump urged Comey to stop investigating fired National Security Advisor Michael Flynn. After FBI review, the memo in question stayed unclassified. By passing this memo along, Comey did not leak classified information. President Trump earns 4 Pinocchios.